Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tshidi, Radebe, back on your screens once again. And today I'm not even using any sort of like lighting. I'm just using my tripod, using natural lighting. I hope it's coming out to be quite beautiful. Oof. Yay. So I am going to be blow drying my hair. Obviously you guys saw from my thumbnail. So without any further ado, let us get right into today's video. First things first, you guys, so my previous video that you guys saw, let me tell you, I slept at like 1 a.m 1:30 a.m and the following day I crashed and I couldn't do my hair. So my hair has been dry since then, and this is what I mean when I say sometimes I really don't have time to do my natural hair like that. You know, back in the day I could do my wash day and be done in one day, but I genuinely just am not built like that anymore, and I just have so many things in between to do. So I just crashed. Genuinely, I crashed, and I saw the messages the following day from you guys, the comments, you know, saying that you guys are very excited for African Curiosity. Follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, baby. And it motivated me to just do at least something for the day. But my brain was exhausted, my body was exhausted. I think what made it worse is that I went to the gym, and I did like, when was it? I did back, shoulders and chest. So I think that just made it worse, given the fact that my brain was already tired. But it's about being consistent with everything that you do. So I needed to go to the gym. It's a commitment that I've made, and regardless what happens, I have to hit the gym if it's my gym day. So just like today, I'm not going to be showing you guys, like, you know, what I'm getting up to, unfortunately. But it's not going to be an intense day. And anyway, I'm starting this video quite late. I'm just going to show you guys how I blow dry my hair, and then in my next video I'll show you guys how I basically style my hair, because I am becoming that minimalistic, you know, brown skin girl that does minimal makeup like I am right now, and with very classic hairstyles. So I'm going to show you guys how I've been loving to wear my hair. I don't know if I show you guys my accessories that I bought, but it's okay, we will use them in that video. So yeah, so that's that. So I needed to put makeup so I can look decent, y'all, because I'm bombing, okay? Like, I'm going through it. But let's not make this video long, because I don't want it to be long. Yep, I look crazy. Is there a day where I never look crazy? First, gonna show you guys how I prep my hair. I first spritz my hair lightly. My hair is already damp, but obviously, you know, as you're working throughout your hair, some of it may get dry. So I'm going to follow that up with my heat protectant from Afro-True, and then it's definitely going to make a difference. You guys know heat protectant is there to protect your hair from the heat, to ensure that you didn't get heat damage. And this is how my hair looks, just like an extra layer of shyness that it gives it, and a protective layer. And then I'm going to split this section, because it is quite big, into two, and then part that to the side, clip that to the side, and then work with one section. As you guys can tell that here, I am focusing my blow dryer at the ends of my hair first, because that's the part of your hair that's prone to tangle first. So first work on your ends, you know, get those going, and then once you are done, move on to the rest of your hair strands, and then end by the roots, and then continue just to work down until you get to your roots, and then that is it. Okay, this is basically how I blow dry my hair. This blow dry is quite gentle. It doesn't like heat up intensely. Like, there was never a point here I felt like I was burning my hands or my hair. But obviously, because you're blow drying your hair, you're gonna get that blow dryer smell in your room, so we all know that. And basically, this is it. You get what I mean? Then I just wanted to make a quick note. If you guys are not following me on my business account on Instagram or Facebook, right now I'm really focusing all my energy on Facebook. We are launching this Friday. Okay, we are launching this Friday. So please make sure, this is like the most important part of the video, make sure that you're hearing me. We are launching this Friday, so please get your coins ready, girls, and follow me on African Curiosity on my Instagram and place your orders. The link will be in my bio for my website, and I will also dedicate a different video, another video before this week ends. Then I want to show you guys something here. You guys see I'm stretching out my hair just to show you guys that my hair is growing out evenly. So there isn't parts of my hair that is breaking or is thinning as it grows towards the end. I know that can be a problem, and comment down below if that's something that you're struggling with right now. And if it is, I highly suggest that you trim your hair until where it is growing out thickly and evenly. So if you're seeing your hair starting like to fade out as you like, you know, see the rest of your hair like towards the ends, and it's not growing out evenly and thick, you know, I suggest that you find ways to prevent that. That's the first thing. And I will actually make a dedicated video on that. And I'm also going to show you guys that I'm blow drying the front of my hair. This is where my edges are and all that kind of stuff. Look at how thick the rest of my hair is in front, okay? And I know some people might be struggling with this. Comment down below so that we can know like where you are. Look at that. Look at the front of my hair. The fact that it's keeping up with the rest of the length, you know, at the back and on the sides, because I know people's hairs don't grow the same. But I'm quite happy with what I'm seeing, because normally my hair is much shorter in front than it is at the back, and you guys will see that. And the fact that it's actually trying to keep up, it's making me very proud. And then I also show you guys my ends. They're still looking quite healthy, given the fact that the last time I cut my split ends was with you guys on a video that I posted here, and I'm not sure when that was, but this is basically it. I took down the rest of my twists just to give my hair an overall, like, you know, blow dry, and this is the amount of shedding I got. This is relatively small, you guys, compared to what I would what I lost last year. I think it was last year July. I had a ball of hair, and I'm just showing you guys the thickness of my hair. You guys can barely see my scalp because she's thick, okay? She's shiny, she is full, she's luscious, she's giving us volume, she's giving us thick, she's definitely giving us Beyonce. But that is it. Make sure that you're following me on my Instagram. We're launching this Friday. Let's go. Okay, my peeps, I am done with my hair. I think I showed you guys some nice clips there of me blow drying, but this is it. Literally, this is it. This is how I moisturize my hair. I didn't end up using any kind of cream on my hair, because as I was touching my hair, I felt like you know, it was still very much conditioned from my last wash day, where I used the clove butter, and that adds amount of shine to your hair. Like, I never knew how much I loved shiny hair until I started using that clove butter, and since then, listen, I'm never going back. But obviously I'm going to experiment a bit more. But this is basically where my hair is at. She has definitely thickened up nicely, that I can see for sure. In terms of length, she is still like, let's see, that's where we at, kind of like almost armpit length. So that's that. Literally, that is that. Let me show you guys the back. I think she's nice and full there also at the back. I hope so. I can't really see myself, but yeah, this is how we looking. We love to see some healthy hair. So this is it. I don't want to make this video too long. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. For those who are wondering how long this took me, because I also have to record and stuff like that, it took me about like 45 minutes, but also I had like my family coming in to disturb me, but I recall it being like 45 minutes. It could have definitely been less, but it's okay. This is it.